Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you a simple and quick way to insert images into PowerPoint. Whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or personal projects, adding images can make your slides more engaging and visually appealing. Let's dive right in and get started. To insert an image into PowerPoint, follow these steps. Open the PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you want to insert the image. Click on the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top of the window. Click Pictures. This device, then browse to the image file and select it. From the web, click Pictures. Online Pictures, search for an image and insert it. And that's it! Now you know how to insert images into PowerPoint and enhance your presentations. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.